Welcome, free beings. If you're ready to start your day with a powerful energy boost, you're in the perfect place. Today we'll be doing 3 rounds of Kundalini breathwork. Each round has 3 different techniques at 2 speeds, slower then a bit quicker. The first breath is spinal flex, in through the nose, out through the nose. Second breath is dog breath, in and out through the mouth with your tongue stretched all the way out. And the third breath is breath of fire, in and out through the nose with a powerful pulling in of the navel on every exhale. Now set your intention and let's prepare for round 1. This is a powerful practice, so always take it at your own pace and feel free to pause at any time. Round 1, here we go. Spinal flex in 3, 2, 1. Inhale the heart forward, exhale back. Really open up into that heart center. Get a full breath in there, and then on the exhale, round back into a C shape, feeling into your spinal column. And now double speed. And now let's inhale the energy up, hold the breath at the top, look between your eyebrows, and exhale through the mouth. Next breath, dog breath. Stretch the tongue out, start breathing in and out through the back of your throat. This is an amazing breath to amp up your immunity. It may feel a little bit funny, a little bit uncomfortable, but just keep breathing with it. Double speed. You got this. Keep going. Feel your power circulating through you. We'll take a deep inhale, in, hold it. Squeeze the root, look between the eyebrows, and exhale. Next breath, in and out the nose, breath of fire, pump that navel. Go slow here before you go fast. Place your hand on your belly. Be sure your belly rises when you inhale, and then pull your belly back towards your spine as you exhale. Double time, increase that speed. Now inhale up, up, up. Look up and in right between your eyebrows. And exhale through the mouth. Powerful. Round 1 complete. Moving right into round 2 with those spinal flexes. Inhaling the heart forward and through the shoulders. Exhaling, rounding back into that C shape. Now double times. Keeping your breath in sync. Inhaling forward, exhaling back. Inhale in. Feel the energy moving up. Look up and in between your eyebrows. Exhale through the mouth. Next breath, dog breath. Stick the tongue out. Start to breathe in and out through the back of your throat. And get comfortable with being uncomfortable. Now let's double speed, quick, in and out, circulate that energy. Cleanse your mental, cleanse your emotional. You got this. Stay steady. Now inhale in, squeeze your root, direct the energy up, look between your eyebrows, open the mouth and exhale. Next breath, breath of fire in and out the nose. Pump that navel, pull your belly in on that exhale. Find your own rhythm with this. Breath of fire invigorates the brain and purifies the blood. Now double time. Move that belly quickly in and out. Now inhale in, seal your root. Look up between your eyebrows at about 20 degrees. And exhale through the mouth. Round 2 is complete. Let's prepare for our third and final round. Feel your power. Last round, full presence, spinal flexes into the heart, back into the spine. Now double speed. Cleansing any stagnant energy from the mind and body. Now inhale up, squeeze your root, look up between your eyebrows, and let it go through the mouth. Moving into our dog breath, tongue out, stretch it out, breathing in and out through the back of the throat. And double speed. My rhythm and depth may not be yours. Always listen to your body. Inhale in, seal the root, direct the energy up, look between your eyebrows, hold the breath for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale through the mouth. Now our final breath of practice, breath of fire. Double speed. Inhale up, seal the root, look up between the eyebrows, expand your energy in all directions, and let it go. You've just completed 3 rounds of powerful Kundalini breathwork. Feel free to stay here longer in meditation and let your inner being speak the truth to you. A rising Kundalini routine can truly revolutionize your day and your life. I know it has mine. I always love hearing your experiences in the comments below, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more empowering practices to keep your energy flowing throughout the day. Let's embrace the power of Kundalini energy as the nature of who we truly are. I know I'll see you soon. Let's rise and shine together.